Hi guys and welcome back. Happy Friday. I hope you guys have an amazing weekend. So today we are shopping at Tjmaxx and Marshalls. I want to show you all of my new finds for the past couple of days now. Also you guys, before I get into this video, I quickly wanted to talk about Teddy Blake New York. If you guys watch my channel, you may have noticed I don't really promote brands on here that much. I have very few people whom I like to work with and like to talk about them because I don't get time for testing out different stuff, and I want to be 1000% genuine and honest on here with you guys. I absolutely love Teddy Blake because I have one of their bags for 3 years now, and the leather on that purse is in perfect condition. I have actually shown you that purse in one of my previous videos. I will link it down below, where I have unboxed this bag as well if you want to see unboxing for this one. So today I'm carrying this one with me. Every time I carry this purse with me, you guys, I get so many compliments. Look at it, it's truly a piece of art, and the leather on these bags are phenomenal, you guys. It's 100% pure leather made in Italy, and also they have same craftsmanship who works for the same designer luxury brands, who charges you a lot more for just brand logo, which is so unfair. Like, they charges you thousands of more dollars just for the brand logo for the same quality purse like this one right here from Teddy Blake. So I would say their bags are extremely affordable than those bags, and if you want something long lasting, I would highly recommend you Teddy Blake's handbags. And the best thing is they currently have Mother's Day sale going on, where you can save up to 70% off on their website, which is amazing. I'm definitely going to buy one for my mom, but it's the perfect time if you want to give this brand a try because the bags are really affordable. And if you miss the sale, you can still use my code to save 30% on their website. I will link their website down below. So yeah, that'd be all for Teddy Blake. Now we'll go shopping together. Hope you guys enjoy watching this one. Okay guys, let's get started. Stores have some amazing stuff this time. I'm so excited to show you. So this is Milk Makeup Plumping Lip Gloss for $8.99. I also found this Bare Minerals Loose Powder Foundation in the shade Fair for $20. Also this ABH Loose Setting Powder in the color Golden Orange for only $7. It's a big tub. And also I found these out of the locker. I thought I would show you guys on the inside. This is Buxom Summer Babe glow stick in the shade Sunlit, which was running for $13. And when you open it up, this is how the packaging is on the inside, and this is the product. For Morphe, they had this smooth gliding bronzer stick in the shade Golden Isle, which is right here on the inside. I thought it was a cool find. Was going for only five. Great price, and this is what you get. Also, they had Iconic London Lip Plumping Lip Gloss in the shade Here For It, which is right here on the inside. Very gorgeous color. And this one was going for only $7, which is an amazing price for this. I love this brand. And also they had Too Faced Melted Chocolate Matte Eyeshadow. This one looks like this on the inside. I found only one shade so far, and was running for $10. And for e.l.f. Putty Blush, they had a new shade here, which is a very gorgeous peach color. And here is the shade names, was going for $4. Also for e.l.f., they had these Daily Dew Stick, two new ones, the orange and blue. Very cute. I love the packaging on these, was going for $4 each. They had a bunch of Days Beauty Pepsi Eye Shimmer eyeshadow palettes there, which are right here on the inside for $6. And also they had this e.l.f. Hydrating Core Lip Shine there. So cute. Was there for $3.99. I found only one shade for it. They also had a Lawless Summer Stick in a new color, the shade Sparkling Champagne. I have shown you in the past, but the shade Tropics is new, which is a deeper shade. Looks like this on the inside. I thought this product is so beautiful, and was going for $10 at Tjmaxx. For Iconic London, they had Prep Set 10 Tanning Mist new there. I found two different shades, the shade Glow and the shade Original. So here is how the packaging is on the inside. It's so beautiful, and the price tag is great for only $9. They had these Bobbi Brown skin foundations there, SPF of 15. Both of these were in the color C024 Ivory, which is right here on the inside, was going for 17. For Root Cosmetics, they had this Hypnotic Hyper eyeshadow, single eyeshadows. These are so beautiful. So I found 3 different shades, was going for 4 each. They also had Morphe Jelly Eye Shimmer New in the shade Confetti for 4, which is right here on the inside. You can kind of see the shade for it, and was going for 4 as I said. For Buxom, they had this For the Win Set New there. It's so beautiful. You get 4 mini sizes of plumping lip glosses. Also, you get plumping lip serum as well, which is a full size. You can see the shade names on the back. Was running for 20 at Tjmaxx. They also had this mini lip trio from ABH. You get 3 mini sizes of lip liners in this. I think this set is so cute. I have seen this in the past. Was running for 13. A bunch of Glossier Balm.coms. All of these were in the flavor coconut. They also have the flavor lavender as well for these. Was running for $8.99. They're also bringing more of these Bobbi Brown sets. In case you want them, you get 2 different colors of cream eyeshadows and a mini mascara for 15. For ABH, they had more of these sets there. So in this set, you get 2 lip glosses and was going for $12.99, both full sizes. Then this Velvet Matte Lip Duo, you get a lip liner and a cream lipstick, was running for 13. They had so much of Laura Mercier at stores as well. I thought it was exciting. So they had this set right here. In this set, you get 2 full sizes of their translucent pure setting spray, 16 hour. So as you guys can see on the back, this set was going for 20. I thought it was a good price. Then they had this Starlight Dreams eyeshadow palette, which is right here on the inside. And this is the color story you get. I think it's beautiful. And this palette was running for 20 at Tjmaxx. Then they had this mini size of Laura Mercier Cosmic Light Translucent Loose Setting Powder there as well. This one was going for 10. Then also for Laura Mercier, they are bringing these sets in stock. Flawless Encounter set. You get a setting powder and a puff as well, both full sizes. So this one is in the color Translucent Honey, which was going for 17. They also have the original translucent as well, which is so exciting. Original value is 40 on these. Great price for only 17. They also had It Cosmetics Bye Bye foundations there, SPF of 50, full coverage. I think it's an amazing find in the color Fair and the color Fair Light. Was running for 20, and this one have expiration date as well, which I always appreciate, and I think it's a cool find. Then I also found these Laura Mercier tinted moisturizing blushes. In this one you get 3 different ones, all cute little mini sizes. I think this set is cute. Was there for 15. Then they are also bringing these Laura Mercier caviar eye stick sets as well for 15. They're also bringing these Kylie Cosmetics Wizard of Oz face palettes in stock at Tjmaxx. I found a couple of these. Looks like this on the inside. It's a beautiful palette. You get a blush, highlighter, and all of these shades of eyeshadows. And I found them there for 20. They also had this Laura Mercier full size of translucent pure setting spray, this time at Tjmaxx. Looks like this on the inside. It's a full size, was running for 13 at Tjmaxx. I also found a bunch of these MAXX matte lipsticks in only one shade, 692 mixed media. And here is how the packaging is on the inside, and this is the shade. Was going for $8.99. For Bobbi Brown, they have a new shade for their crushed lip color. The shade is Coca, which is right here on the inside. Really gorgeous color. Was running for $10.99. For NARS, they had this lipstick in the shade Raw Seduction for $8.99. And here is how the shade is on the inside. So beautiful. Also, they had Laura Mercier, the Smoothing Universal Perfecting Primer full size, was there for 20. It comes in this little tube packaging. They also had this Velour 2 Clean Lash Wand new there. This one was going for $5.99. For new skincare, they had this e.l.f. Skin set new there. You get a cleanser, moisturizer, and toner in this. This set is so cute. I also spotted these at Burlington. Was going for 7. They also had Unicorn Fruit Lip Plumping Balm from Truly for only $5.99. Good price. They had a bunch of different products for Obagi. This is exfoliating cleansing gel from them, which was running for $14.99. Also, they had dark spot corrector as well, which was running for 20. Then this retinol serum, this one was going for 17. Also, I found this bare minerals set this time at Tjmaxx. You get 3 different products in this for 25. They also had this brand there. It's a Korean brand. I found their triple hyaluronic acid moisturizer for 17. They also had this Palmer's Cocoa Butter Formula Skin Therapy Oil new there. And this one was going for 5. Also, they had this brand there as well, Hawaiian Skincare. This one is cleansing cream from them. Don't know this brand, but this one was going for $5.99. For the brand Beauty State, they had this Universal Triple Action Daily Peel new there, and this one was going for $7.99. For new body care, they had this coconut body scrub from Mario Badescu for $8.99. Also, vitamin E hand cream for $4.99. Raspberry body scrub for $8.99. They also had this new gift set there for Polo for men. I think this set is fantastic. You get 2 perfumes, also aftershave gel, and comes with a body wash. Was running for 70. Then they had this Alice Brooklyn set there. It's so cute. You get salt or sweet, 2 different fragrances to try for 13. They also had this new product there, Iceland Hydrating Soothing Gel. It's a Korean brand and it looks really good for $4.99. Also, they had this Back Balm Moisturizing Lotion new there, fragrance free, which looks fantastic for 10. And they had this new random brand there, Together With You, was running for 15. Also, this one as well. This one is from the Good Scent for 15, called Solar Floral. Also, this one was there as well, quite popular brand. This fragrance is new from them for 17. For Modern Memory, they had this Western Sental and Swag Mood for 15 each. Copari Bums Beacon clarifying body pads was there. You get 50 pads for 17. Also, they had this Tanologist Express Tan new there in the color dark, extra dark for 8. They also had this Victor and Rolf Midnight Flower Bomb perfume for 70. Also, they had Lancome body lotion, which I think was running for 30 at Tjmaxx. For new handbags, they had these cute little crossbody bags there for Kipling. These were going for $24.99 in 2 different colors. The light peach one I have shown you in my previous video. Also, they had this new there for Steve Madden, really cute leather bag, and this one was running for 40. They also had this cute little bag there for Hello Kitty. Here is how it is on the back, and this one was going for 17 at Tjmaxx. Then also for Kipling, they had this new bag there. It's so beautiful, love the color, and it's pretty big in size, perfect for traveling, and was running for 60. Also, for this brand, they had this one there as well. This one is also pretty big in size, pretty good for traveling, and the color is cute, and also going for 60. They also have these cute Betsy Johnson bags there. So this one is for 40. The color combination is cute on this. They also have this orange one, which is also cute, for 40. Then also for this bag, they had this blue and lavender one as well for the same price. For Steve Madden, they had these new there for 30 each. Really cute colors. These comes with cute little coin bags as well, and they had a couple of different colors to choose from. They also had this one new there for Karl Lagerfeld. This is also cute and was running for 100. Now for new footwear, they had these new there for Skechers. Was running for $29.99. Also, they had these new there for Calvin Klein for 35. And then these were new there as well from brand Beach. and was going for 20 each. Also they had these cute flip-flops, sandals. These are so beautiful for 24.99, and these we have seen. For new jewelry, they had this new necklace there for Disney for 15. Also they had this set there for 15 as well, and this one for 17. And these as well, a couple of different ones to choose from for Disney jewelry. And then they had this one new there for House of Harlow, so beautiful, for 10. Also this one was there for 12.99, and then this bracelet for 13. Also this for 20. They have these ones there for 20 each. Also this one is cute for House of Harlow for 10. And then they also have this one there for 13. In their checkout section, I found this set of 2 mugs there for Hello Kitty. This is so cute, and I found it there for 12.99. Also, I spotted this cute little notebook there as well for Hello Kitty and friends. I thought I would show you guys. It's so cute on the inside as well, and was going for 6.99. Now for new markdowns, they had this Believe Aqua Bomb Lotion for only 8 now, full big size. Also they had these Philosophy Pure Grace and Amazing Grace shower gels, full big sizes for 16 each. They also had these Lawless Body Buff brushes for 6 each, great price. Also for Lawless, they had bronzer brush on clearance for only 4 this time. And also they have all over powder brush as well on markdown for only 6. They also had this L'Oreal night moisturizer for 7, then this Olay moisturizer for 10, and Murad for 7.